Hi everybody, it's Reina with Double TI and I want to show you my mattress. It's the SEALY Tritech 18 inches queen size inflatable air mattress bed. The comfort of the queen mattress was better than what I have hoped for. What I love the most about this mattress is that it's come with a built-in pump and it's super easy to inflate. In less than 5 minutes, you can already lay down, offering an excellent sleeping experience. We decided to purchase this mattress because we love exploring new places and camping, but also because we can easily accommodate overnight guests at home without any issues, providing a cozy sleeping space whenever is needed. It's queen size, so it offers a good space for a solo sleeper or for couples. Another plus is that it's easy to transport and storage when not in use. I honestly love this mattress. It's excellent. I highly recommend it. And that is my point of view.